before that was there. The person that said that nonsense, that vile gossip, that venomous snake. Very snake. If I find out who you and your cohorts lying against me, God will punish you.
What was the third gist or something? The one about Onyeka wants to be Wanni's friend.
It cannot be. Because Showdown knows the truth. Whoever that person is, stop being a coward and come out now.
About Onyeka wants to be Wanni's friend.
That wants to use Wanni and Handi from where to where.
Now me talk him now. No vex.
Why you talk him? Who you talk him with?
I said it.
And why?
Why?
Oh, was it you that said it?
Yes, I told her now, after that day. I told her.
Why?
It's because of what you said. Me, as a friend to Wanni, I won't discuss that kind of a thing with someone else. Especially when the person is not my friend.
You see why you should mind your business?
Because why didn't you mind your business?
No,
why did you
should mind your business? Wanni, remember? See, no. Why did you bring it to me? I cannot call out your friend. Just wait. You, Wanni, sorry to sound that way. We discussed that matter. What happened? Ben did what? No, wait, Parrot caller, you had your time to call out your friend. You didn't call out your friend.
Why were you
Parrot caller, you had your time. You were not my friend. I was not your friend. Why would you have that conversation? Parrot caller, you had your time. Parrot caller, you had your time. Parrot caller, you had your time and you didn't use it. You shut the fuck up and get the fuck out. You're a fucking coward. You're a coward and a fake ass Parrot caller. If you had mind, you call your friend. Please get out. Where were we? What did I tell you? I told you we had to.
A few moments later.
Can you imagine?
Nonsense. You waited to this man tell me because you're already seen. Go and sit down, two of you. Today, give me some more. Nonsense.
You're not worth my energy.
Not even knowing how they said it.
You're not worth my
energy. Calling me out, but you cannot call your friend. You are right there. You heard it.
Like it's a cry now. I did not call out.
You fight me.
You're crying already. Keep crying.
These guys you wanted people to fight you.
She just looks so stupid right now. Because you're supposed to pay tax there, but you're coming for me. Do you have a problem? If you have a problem with me, say what you want to say. Say what you want to fucking say with your chest.
Okay, thank you.
Pussy.
Next time when you want to form that thing, make sure you have the mind. Call your friend out, call me out, so then I'll respect you. Right now,
if you want to fight with me, say what's on your mind. Stop using Kassia.
Come to my life. Nonsense. See this one, I went to Gambia. I say, give me this thing. Let me know what I'm deciding because I was hurt because of what you are there. And I told you how hurt I was.
Oh, good.
Coward.
It's funny how the chief of goes. If it's me, why did she not tell you about the skirt? Whatever is paining you, let it pain you. You're the pain one, you're the peace one.
Onyeka did it. Cry a river, okay? Because Onyeka fucking said she didn't.
I don't give two fucks about you. I don't give two fucks about you. So stop talking.
You have set yourself up and I'm saying you're looking for a reason to fight. If you don't say that nonsense, I not call your friend. Will I talk to you? Will I talk to you? No, answer now.
You've seen the fight you've been craving now. You've seen the fight that you've been craving, right? Because you went from Kassia to Victoria. You're in love with Victoria. You can't get over me. You've been calling my name. You understand?
Because about me in the corner. Nonsense. Onyeka was the one that said it. You could not even say Kassia said that too.
That's why she's doing nothing else.
And you look stupid. That's it. So you will be shining your teeth when your heart is burning inside. That's one thing I'll never do. I won't do that. I'll fucking come. I'll fucking come and find a way to tell you.
You asked me the same question repeatedly. You were going to ask me sometimes. Stop deflecting.
Against you. Cry a river.
Whatever is paining you, let it pain you. You're the pain one. You're the peace one.
Onyeka did it. Cry a river, okay? Because Onyeka fucking said she didn't.
I don't give two fucks about you. I don't give two fucks about you. So stop talking.
You have set yourself up and I'm saying you're looking for a reason to fight. If you don't say that nonsense, I not call your friend. Will I talk to you? Will I talk to you? No answer now.
You've seen the fight you've been craving now. You've seen the fight that you've been craving, right? Because you went from Kassia to Victoria. You are in love with Victoria. You can't get over me. You be calling my name. You understand?
Be gossiping about me in the corner. Nonsense.
Later.
What's her name? Wanni was telling me to leave here. I said no, can't leave here. So you don't hit her.
Hold on.
Anita!
Hey, you see this Kassia's laugh, eh?
First time I'm in this room by this time.
Award-winning laugh. Problem-causing laugh.
Oh my God. My friend, that energy drink was needed.
Su said I need 5 super commando.
Yes.
So prepare yourself.
Super commando got you covered.
Oh my God.
When it's time for war.
Super commando.
Yes. Yes. That was why I gave
Why
it to
were you
her.
giving me super
So
commando?
boost your energy.
Yes, so. Hey, God.
Kassia.